Hello everyone, welcome back to Rhythm in English YouTube channel. Today's video is regarding a geography project which I have done in the comparative study of Tundra and the Equatorial region. Tundra region and Equatorial region are two very well-known natural regions of the earth and both are very contrasting to each other. So let's see how can we get a comparative study of life in these both regions. First of all, we have to see their location. As we all know, the Tundra region occurs in the North Polar region beyond the Arctic Circle. Tundra is the type of vegetation found at that place and it is only found in the Northern Hemisphere, and this is a special characteristic of Tundra region. It includes the parts such as Canada, Alaska, etc. It covers northern Scandinavia, Greenland and Iceland. And in Asia also it includes Siberia. Now what about Equatorial region? We have known that the region includes the Africa's Desert Basin, Guinea coast, etc. South America it includes Amazon Basin, and in Asia it includes Malaysia, Indonesia and etc. Let's go further about the climate. Tundra region experiences severe cold throughout the year and it gets rainfall, though scanty, but they all are in cyclonic nature. Snowfall is witnessed in winters. Summers are experienced for a very short period of time. In Equatorial region, the sun rays are almost all-time vertical during summers, and this region receives a very heavy rainfall which helps to get the evergreen vegetation in this region. Now coming to the habitat of Tundra and the Equatorial region. Tundra region is basically flat and treeless plain, though during the short summers grasses and small flowering plants grow, making the greenery-less area a green one. We can see the different colors of flowers and the shrubs that grow during the short summer months. Poppies, lilies, etc. are some flowering plants. Berry-bearing bushes may also be found. In Equatorial region, there are evergreen forests throughout. This is known as the tropical rainforest. It has a layered structure with the canopy of tall trees at the top and then creepers and climbers. So the soil here remains almost moist due to the lack of sunlight reaching the soil. What about the food? Now the Tundra region has root vegetables in all shapes, sizes and colors. Turnips, beets, parsnips, celery root, carrots, potatoes, etc. are grown there. In Equatorial region, manioc, yams, maize, bananas, groundnuts are grown. Mangosteen, rambutan, papaya are also grown there. Now, what about clothing? Tundra region is a cold place. So people living there or surviving there wear almost all-time woolen clothes, gum boots, gloves and caps and mufflers. Gloves protect their hands and caps and mufflers protect their heads from this chilly climate. In Equatorial region, the climate is sunny with sun rays vertically overhead. Traditionally, men wear long, loose gowns or robes over loose pants that are tapered at the mid-calf. Women wear long dresses or loose tops with long skirts. Their loose clothing allows the air to pass, speeding evaporation and carrying out of excess heat. The lifestyle of Tundra region is very different and impossible, though people surviving there have made their lifestyle a bit more settled down. The soil is infertile, so people mostly live by hunting and fishing. They have built the safe shelters and travel on animals such as reindeer. Human activity includes residential and recreational industrial uses. In Equatorial region is sparsely populated. People practice shifting cultivation and subsistence farming. Many people who live in rainforests find that using boats on rivers is the easiest way to travel around. Most of them are nomadic inhabitants. They are involved in hunting wild animals, gathering wild fruits, and edible roots for the survival. So, from this project, we can conclude that there are massive differences between the climates of both these regions. One is of extreme cold and one is of extreme heat. So, we have understood that there are so many differences in the lifestyle, food, clothing, habitat, and everything. People live there on by their choice and by their urge to live. So, from this project we can conclude these things, and I have taken a few help from internet to search for the pictures and from a geography book. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. Thanks for staying tuned. See you all in the next video.